Hello students, welcome all of you in the series of online classes, and our today's topic is now children, after completing the exercise 12.1 of Heron's formula. Now today we have to learn about the application of Heron's formula in finding the areas of quadrilateral, which is your exercise 12.2. As you know, exercise 12.2. In previous exercise, you learned that how to find the area of triangle by Heron's formula. Now we need to do application of Heron's formula in finding the area of quadrilateral. As you know that quadrilateral can be also divided into triangles. So let's see how the Heron's formula is to be used in solving to calculate the area of quadrilateral. So let's see the first question from exercise 12.2, and the question is saying that a park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD has angle C of 90 degree, AB 9 centimeter, BC 12 meter, and CD 5 meter, and AD 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? There is a field in a form of quadrilateral ABCD. See first question. And quadrilateral is given such that one of its angle is of 90 degree. So first I will suggest you to draw the figure. Or you may take it in this way. That's why it seems that it is a quadrilateral. Okay. A park, or you may take little bit this way. Yes. Suppose this is your quadrilateral A, B, C and D, where it is given that angle C is of 90 degree. This is of 90 degree. And it is given that AB equals to 9 meter. AB is 9 meter. BC is 12 meter. And CD is 5 meter. This is 5 meter. And AD equals to 8 meter. AD equals to 8 meter. Now we have to find the area of this triangle, or since it seems to be not according to the dimension, so it is better to you make this line little bigger and join this. Now it is okay. AB was how much? 9 meter. Okay. Now BC is 12 meter, and CD is 5 meter, and AD is 8 meter. Now you have to calculate the area of this quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral field, children, you can see that the sides of 4 sides are given, and one angle is also given, that is of 90 degree. So now we have to apply the brain. How will we calculate the area of this field? So for calculating the field, just you join the BD. Okay. Now you can see that this quadrilateral field has been divided into two triangular fields. One is triangle ABD and other is triangle BCD. And you can see that triangle BCD is a right triangle. Triangle BCD is a right triangle in which the base is 5 meter and perpendicular is 12 meter. So we can find the its hypotenuse BD by applying the Pythagoras theorem. So let's do it. Let ABCD be a filled A in form of quadrilateral, quadrilateral. Okay. Now join BD. Now in right triangle BCD, using Pythagoras theorem to calculate its hypotenuse. So we can write BD square equals to BC square plus CD square. Now BD square will be equal to BC means 12 square plus CD means 5 square. So BD square will be equal to 144 plus 25, which will be 169. So BD square will be square of 13. So your BD will be 13 meter. Now you got your BD, which is of 13 meter. Now you can see that we have all three sides of both triangles, which is in the quadrilateral. We got all three sides of triangle ABD also, and we got all three sides of triangle BCD also. So now we can apply the Heron's formula for both triangles separately and calculate area, and after that adding them together we can got the area of this quadrilateral field. But BCD is a right triangle, so you can apply the formula for area of triangle for right angle also, which will be simple in comparison to find the area by Heron's formula, and by that process also you can got the area of triangle. So now we calculating the area of triangle BCD. So we know that the area of triangle is half into base into height. Simple formula. So by applying this, we know that half base is 5 and its height is 12. 2 6 are 12, that is 30 meter square is the area of triangle BCD. Now after calculating the area of this triangle, now we come in the triangle ABD. Now in triangle ABD, we have AB equals to 9 meter, BD equals to 13 meter, and AD equals to 8 meter. It's all three sides are known. So we will use Heron's formula in this triangle to calculate its area. So first you find its semiperimeter. Its semiperimeter will be 9 plus 13 plus 8 divided by 2, which will be 9 plus 13, 22 plus 8, that is 30 by 2, that is 15 meter. Now area of triangle ABD equals to what? S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C by using Heron's formula under root. So now put the value. Your S is 15. So 15 minus 9 into 15 minus 13 into 15 minus 8 square root. So simplify 15 into 6 into 2 into 7. Now simplifying it, we can have 15 can be written as 5 into 3 and 6 can be written as 3 into 2 and this 2 into 7. So this is the, and now we have 3 is in pair and 2 is in pair and 5 and 7 are not in pair. So just we put out 1 3 into 2 into under root 5 into 7 will be 35. So our area of this triangle will become 3 to the 6 under root 35 and under root 35 we know that the square root of 36 is 6. So we can take 6 into 6, that is 36 approx, not accurate, it is approx value. Now we need to find the area of quadrilateral. So area of quadrilateral will be, see here, area of quadrilateral ABCD equals to area of triangle BCD plus area of triangle ABD. Now add it all together. So area of triangle is 30 plus area of ABD is 36. So I think 66 meter square is the required area of the triangle, which is in approx value, because 35 is not a perfect square number. So in this way you can solve the area of this quadrilateral. So this is the method, children, by which you have to apply the area of, it is exercise 12.2 and your answer is question number first 65.5 meter square approx and it is 66, so it is nearly correct. So what we have done in this question, first we divide the quadrilateral into two parts of triangle and thereafter we calculate the area of both triangles separately and after that we add them and we got the value for this area of this quadrilateral. Let's see one more question from this exercise, that is your question number 2. The question number 2 is saying that find the area of quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is 3 cm, BC is 4 cm, CD is 4 cm, DA is 5 cm and AC equals to 5 cm. In this quadrilateral, all sides of the quadrilateral are given. Suppose this is your quadrilateral, which is A, B, C, D. And what are the dimensions? AB equals to 3 centimeter, okay. BC equals to 4 centimeter. CD equals to 4 centimeter. CD equals to also 4 centimeter, okay. And DA equals to 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. And one of the diagonal is also given. AC is 5 centimeter. So now you can see from the figure here, it is clear that this quadrilateral has been divided into two triangles. One triangle is ABC and other triangle is ADC. And all three sides of triangles are known. So just you apply the Heron's formula in both triangles separately and find their area, and in last you add them up, you will get the area of whole quadrilateral ABCD. So let's start our solution with in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we have what we have? AB equals to 3 centimeter, BC equals to 4 centimeter, and AC equals to 5 centimeter. So first you calculate S. S equals to 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 2. That is 12 by 2. That is 6 centimeter. Now you calculate the area of triangle ABC by applying Heron's formula. So S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C under root. So S is your 6. 6 minus 3 into 6 minus 4 into 6 minus 5 under root. Now we have 6 into 3 into 2 into 1 under root. So we can write 6 in the form of 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. 1 multiplied by 1 has no any meaning. So now you can have 3 is in pair and 2 is also in pair. So you got area of triangle ABC equals to 6 centimeter square. Now same process you repeat in another triangle, in triangle ADC. So in triangle ADC we have what? AD equals to 5 centimeter, AD BC equals to 4 centimeter, and AC equals to 5 centimeter. So first you find S for this, that is 5 plus 4 plus 5 by 2, that is 14 by 2, that is 7 centimeter. Now apply the Heron's formula in this triangle also. So let's see, area of triangle ADC equals to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C under root. Now put the value of all things, 7 into 7 minus 5 into 7 minus 4 into 7 minus 5 under root, which is 7 into 2 into 3 into 2. Now we see that 2 is in pair, so we take out 2 as outside of the square root and multiply 7 into 3 within the square root. So we got 2 under root 21, which is also not a perfect square. So to get the square root of 21, I think it will be 4 4 is 16, 4.5. 4.5 into 4.5, 180. Schedule fast for 20.25. 20.25 and 4.6 into 4.6 will be what? 21.16. So I think 4.6 is more accurate value. So the square root of 21 is 4.6 approx. So your square root will be 2 into 4.6, that is 9.2 centimeter square, which is approx. So area of quadrilateral ABCD equals to, you can write area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ABC. So when you add it together, your area for triangle ABC was 6 plus 9.2, that is 15.2 centimeter square. Approx is the area of this quadrilateral. So I think children, in this way you can solve the questions based on the application of Heron's formula. Yes, 15.2 centimeter square is the answer. So I think children, in this way you can solve the problem related from exercise 12.2, and all of you must practice it, and I hope that you will do practice. Okay, thank you.